Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to install the Fandango app on your Android TV without issues. If you find the video helpful, please do not forget to drop us a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you this TV box I'm currently using called S5 Max Sling TV box, and it's very good with 4K images and 4K videos. Also, it comes with various applications, some basic applications, and it has an app store. Now, not all applications are in the app store, so you can also add an other app store if you're interested in more applications. Here are the various applications in these app stores, and there are lots of them, and they're very nice applications. You can just go ahead and try out. So let's try out one of the applications like my VOD. It gives you videos on demand. Also, there's another application like my TV. It gives you channels that you can watch on your Sling TV box. So these are some of the applications in this TV box. This TV box has a 116 GB space, and also it is very affordable. If you want to know more, check the description of this video. There is a link that is going to lead you to where you see all the features of this TV box. Now let's continue. So once you're here, what you have to do is to go over to the option that says apps. Now I don't want to go to App Store because it's not available on my App Store yet. So what I have to do, I go over here and I go over to apps and I launch Google. So on your Android TV box, please launch Google and then go over here to the search box. Now once you launch Google, please make sure to log into your Google account. If you don't have to log into your Google account, in the description of this video there's a link I will attach that helps you to log into Google. So once you logged in, go over to the box and search Fandango app. Now, just as a recommendation, it's always recommended to use VPN on your Android TV box for security, and also it keeps you secure on the internet and helps you unlock a lot of stuff on the internet. So we're looking for the Fandango app. So the Fandango app. So if you're looking for a good VPN to use, in the description of this video, I attach a good VPN that you should use, and it's going to help you a lot on the internet. So just try it out and see. So Fandango, I'll go with the app. So here is it over here. I just go over here and I click this. The reason I'm not clicking the other option, I want the Fandango app. Once you click Fandango app, it shows you the option they can install this. You see, here is it over here. Either this or the other option. It just depends on which one you're looking for. So you're looking for Fandango at home or just Fandango, then here's it. So whatever option you're looking for, just click on it once, and if it's available, you just go ahead and click install. Now there's an issue here. I'm not in the US, so this app is available in the US. Since I'm not in the US, I cannot install it except I'm using a VPN. Now I'm not in the US, so I cannot install it. If you're in the US, you can go ahead and install it without any issues. If you're not in the US, then that's where there's a problem. Just like me, I cannot install it except I'm using a VPN. So this is how to install it to Android TV. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.